Ideal for any champion of quality home cooking, this Hotpoint electric single oven produces great results and takes the daily hassle out of cleaning. Multiflow technology circulates an all-enveloping heat flow in every inch of the oven cavity. Whether it's succulent chicken or light and airy bread and cakes, you'll get perfectly even results every time, whatever shelf you use. The steam clean cycle will loosen tough food residue that often builds up in difficult-to-reach areas of the cavity in just 35 minutes. Maintaining a clean oven is made easy and convenient. Simply unhook the tilting grill for easy access cleaning and wipe the remaining dirt away with a damp cloth. The electronic temperature controls use sensors in the oven cavity to continually monitor the cooking temperature and accordingly adjusts itself to maintain a heat within 2 degrees of your selected temperature. Now you can be confident that your food will be cooked to perfection the moment you take it out. No longer be deterred by messy foods and enjoy fantastic results each and every time with this sophisticated Hotpoint electric single oven.